Hadien ka jingdawa bat ka jingangnud ka balabun post Snem La Kyntiew Kyrdan Noh ïaka Patharkhmah Police Outpost ïaka Police Station katei ka jingdawa kala urlong no mynta ka sngi Hadien bu MLA ka Jirang Bah Sosthenes Sohtun kum kongsan mynta ka si ula leit pynbna syndon La Kyntiew Kyrdan Noh ïaka Patharkhmah Outpost ïaka Police Station Hadien ka jingmynjur jong ka sorkar pynsuk ïaki paidbah bat pynjan ka jingïadei hapadeng ki pulit bat ki paidbah hakatei ka sngi ka Kyntiew Kyrdan ïaka Patharkhmah Outpost ïaka Police Station la sakhiru da ka jingdon lang uba MB Tong Pair Additional Deputy Commissioner Badairu USDO jong ka Patharkhmah Civil Sub Division Ugiri Prasad Superintendent of Police ka Ri Bhoi District B Diengngan Additional SP Bah Sosthenes DSP Headquarter H Wahlang Paiem ka Hima Jirang ki Officer Pulit ki paidbah jong ka Than Jirang ki nong yalam shnong ki khenna school lembat ki nong hikai
with the Superintendent of Police of Ri Bhoi District, Mr. Giri Prasad, who is a very hard-working officer, the head of the district with a police department, and I would like to inform to all my dear people that this police station belongs to you, and we would like to request you to all the villagers, be confident, don't be afraid. You have to come and meet the officers, because from this day onwards, this police outpost, it will be upgraded to a police station. So now ahead, we will unveil to declare that this police outpost now is known as the Patharkhmah Police Station. Thank you. Ubala kerku ingi kamtam ïaka Jirang konsensi kejungi.
Hima Jirang nangka I balok iperlok sodasnom kibakpo.
Convenience and better administration, the Governor of Meghalaya considers it necessary to create a new police station at Patharkhmah in the Ri Bhoi District to be known as the Patharkhmah Police Station. As and whereas it is necessary to describe the boundaries and the jurisdiction of the new police station as indicated hereunder. Now, therefore, the Governor of Meghalaya is pleased to order the upgradation of the opposite police outpost at Patharkhmah and to describe the boundaries and jurisdictions of the new police station as indicated hereunder with effect from the date of publication of this notification in the official Gazette of Meghalaya. On creation of the Patharkhmah Police Station, the areas coming under its jurisdiction shall cease to be under Nongpo Police Station.
Established in the year 1973, so more than I think 40 years now. And till that time, there was a long pending demand from people of Patharkhmah constituency, Jirang constituency, and also the villages around Patharkhmah, that there needs to be more security, because Patharkhmah is very far, and it's very far from headquarters Nongpo, but it is very near to some bordering areas, and sometimes there are issues of crime increasing in this area. So there is very long demand of people of Patharkhmah. So I spoke to Sir. So I told we have written multiple letters to police headquarters and home department. Year after year we have written. Then last year MLA sir asked me, so what do you want me to do immediately? So I told sir, now we have to put pressure to ensure that it is immediately updated. Government notification should be out. I am telling you why it is difficult to update an outpost into police station. The strength of an outpost is very less, infrastructure is very less. But if it is a police station, it incurs economical cost, because if there are 10 personnel before, now it will be 50 personnel, and it gives government exchequer. I mean, government has to pay their salaries. So it is not very easy for upgradation of an outpost to a police station because it involves government expenditure. So that is why sir was consistently pursuing with our home department and concerned minister, as well as with our police headquarters, to ensure for the safety of people of Patharkhmah, it has to be done immediately. Sir, I thank you so much, sir. After 40 years, now we are able to achieve this feat, and very helpful, and you have pursued a lot for this one.
Nagi bakum kita ki jingma, ki bakum kita ki jing'e, ki ban sami ke sorkar kalau ilapa, day bandan kalau an order ke bagyang hakani ke jaka ke jami, ia ke burom sa ke sorkar, ia ke burom sa ki namik mat ki jami, ibalayo iya ke ni ke pang ke bajangai, nak ke benta kalau jam ke ni ke jong ke jami. Ngak kami nanti nama kata, habangi yo ya ke ni ke bangi laya kuang laya angnur. Nyinsim ya ka bakal ke kabu ya nga ba ya piru bagi dia penerkam ya ka akalenti ke badai akalenti ke bapa kenang bagi la ban yo yo so jong ke jingmen toy na ka ke bagi la kmi nanti la slem ba kumbang la ong men
song sub show tang kam su kena show kata safety security kawai ke banga kentu ya kam tam kena school kampat dirang ba kan ni. Jadi kata konsep of community policing kita dari konsep orang seni kata kamu pihak yang terlilang bagi polis berkat association bagi polis penyerang siparlok penyerang bantuan lami syaki yang gino jing sendiri kepada hakanya ka jaka mesti banbure tadani iru ki polis mesti hukum ki plate memencah ki plate mata gerom ki parlok ki plate mata geri ki parlok jong ni barakhai depi barakhai hapadan kanono ka jing sendiri, dan dengan kajing mahiwan banyak tu ïaki, bah kinyaram.